Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer to the mobile app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and control your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer with your mobile device. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? The first thing that you're going to go ahead and do is make sure that your Typhur 2 Dome air fryer is plugged in. Afterwards, we're just going to go ahead and turn it on. Next, you're going to grab your mobile device, and for this example, we're going to be using an iPhone. So on your iPhone, you want to go into the App Store and download the Typhur app. So the Typhur app looks like that. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and sign up for an account and go ahead and log in. Next, on your mobile device, you want to make sure that you have both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Now we're going to go ahead and access the Typhur app, which looks like this. So this is the homepage of the app. Click on Add Device, then click on Typhur Dome/Dome 2, which is right over here. Now you're going to make sure and turn on pairing mode on your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. So in order to do so, you're going to press the up and down arrows at the same time. So press and hold. And as you can see, there's now a blinking Wi-Fi signal, which means that it's in pairing mode. So after you've done that, click on My Device is Ready. It's going to search for nearby devices. And again, just make sure that you have both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Click on Pair. It should automatically find your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. And then next, you're going to select your Wi-Fi network. So just make sure that you're connected to a 2.4 Hertz Giga Wi-Fi. Next, on your Wi-Fi, you're going to go ahead and type in your password for your Wi-Fi. Then click on Next. As you can see, it's connecting. And there you have it. It's now been successfully connected. And then you can click on Done. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pair your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer with the mobile app on your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.